Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into very practical passive income ideas that can be done by pretty much anyone and is super easy no matter your skill level or how much free time you may have. So grab a notebook, a fresh cup of coffee, and let's dive right in. First off, let's start with something really simple, is renting out extra space in your home or property. If you have a spare room, a finished basement, or even a parking spot you don't use, these can all become money makers. How do you start? Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO make renting out rooms easy. Apps like Neighborhood let you rent out unused storage space or even parking spots. And how many of us have a garage that's full of crap that we don't even use? So cleaning it out, you can even rent out a garage as a simple storage unit, making you a good amount of money each month. This idea works great, especially if you live in a city, near an airport, or even a high demand area. And hey, a little bit extra really does help in the long run. The second one is selling stock photos. If you have a decent camera or just a good smartphone, you can turn your photography hobby into a passive income. People need photos for websites, blogs, advertisements, and a whole bunch more. So where do you even start? Well, you upload your photos to stock image sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and All-of-Me. Now, people always ask, what the heck do you photograph? Well, pretty much everything. From coffee mugs, pictures of landscapes in your backyard, even just walk down the street and start taking pictures of sidewalks. You'd be shocked by what people use in advertisements and just want to have a picture. Or you can specialize in a certain type of photo that nobody else can get. The best part is once your photos are uploaded, they just sell repeatedly, creating you a truly passive income that you don't really got to mess with. Now, there is an art to it. You got to make sure you take decent photos. Probably one of the most simplest ones that everybody tells you, and this is dividends. So don't worry, you don't need to be a financial expert. Start earning passive income from dividends. I own dividend stocks. This is one of the easiest ways to make your money work for you. You're not going to make a ton of money. How it works is you buy shares in companies or funds that pay dividends, and they pay regular payouts to their shareholders. And there's a lot of good apps that are very beginner friendly. I use Robinhood, that's what I like, but there's other ones like Acorn that work pretty good, where you can start investing as little as just a few bucks. And besides just having dividends, Robinhood also pays you 4% APY if you have a large sum of money in your account, and you can make a decent amount of money off just the APY of your cash just sitting there. Remember, the earlier the start, the more time it gives your money to grow over time, and compound interest is your best friend. Now, this isn't financial advice. I'm no financial expert. I just know that I toss money in and it gives me free money to an extent. So I would highly recommend watching other YouTubers' videos on it, and it might be something that is worth doing. The thing is renting out your car. Now, I know your car is probably your prized baby, but if you have a car just sitting idle in your driveway for days at a time, why not make it work for you and make you some money? So how do you start? You get apps like Turo, which allow you to rent out your car to people who need it. A lot of these people might be people who are new to the area that just need something to get around, or that are on vacation. Make sure your car is clean and pretty well maintained to get a good review, which helps attract a whole bunch more renters down the line. Some people earn hundreds of dollars a month doing this, and it's perfect if you work from home and don't use your car daily like me. The next one is one of my favorite ideas. Now, this is starting a vending machine business or even a ATM business. Now, starting this one requires a small upfront investment, but returns can be pretty huge. And vending machines are literally everywhere, so they bring in a steady amount of cash with pretty little upkeep. Now, how do you start this? Well, you purchase a used vending machine off of Facebook and you stock it with snacks and drinks, then find a high traffic location. Now, you could reach out to some offices, offer to put it in for free, and maybe give them a little bit of a kickback. There's also gyms that are always looking to have nice food in there, especially protein shakes and like protein bars and high calorie snacks that you need at the gym, or even schools. So look for locations where people might need a quick snack or beverage. And once it's up and running, all you need to do is make sure it's restocked and collect your earnings. Renting out equipment. We all have a lot of stuff lying around that we just don't use. So you could start a rental business, like renting out just only power tools. You could rent it for $5 or something, and it might turn into a good profitable business idea. There's also other ideas like renting out party decorations, so people aren't just buying them, tossing them away, and wasting all that money. They could pay a portion of the fee, and you could go and collect them afterward. These items can make you money, and the nice thing is you're renting out assets that you still have, or you might even have that you aren't putting to work. Or even create a simple catalog, pass it around town, be like, hey, do you need this XY equipment? Let me know, I can rent for you for pretty cheap. And there you have it. Practical and easy to start passive income that I'm pretty sure anyone can really start. Now remember, the key to passive income is putting in the effort up front. Whether you're gonna go big or start small, it's important to just take the first step and just start learning. And let me know in the comments below if you found this helpful. And also make sure you take that big wad of money you made from learning this and smack that subscribe button. And of course, I'll catch you guys in the next one.